Are you looking to dive into the world of trading? Discover how to maximize your profits with our step-by-step guide on using the Plus500 trading platform. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, learn tips and tricks that can elevate your trading game and unlock your financial potential. Don't miss out. Let's get started. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use Plus500 trading platform. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into plus500.com. This is the home page, and right now I will show you how you can get started with plus500.com and how it works with it. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Plus500, and this is the home page as I said, and then you have just to click over start with interact. Once you do that, you will find a page to get started and sign in up. Then if you find an issue on your inscription, you have just to download a VPN to change the country. So for example, here we have the country that I choose. This is Netherlands. Alright, so or you can choose also USA, UK, France, Netherlands, or Spain, and then you get started. So welcome to our guide on Plus500, the popular trading platform known for its user-friendly interface and diverse range of financial instruments. In this video, we'll define Plus500, explore its features that attract traders worldwide. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced investor, there is something here for you. Stick around until the end for exclusive tips to enhance your trading journey. So let's get started. So once you sign up, you'll find another page, which is this one. As you can see, so here we have it. So using the Plus500 trading platform is easy and user-friendly. Start by creating an account and completing the verification process. Once you are logged in, explore various financial instruments like stocks, forex, and cryptocurrencies to place a trade. Select your asset, decide whether to buy or sell, and set your investment amount. Don't forget to utilize features like stop loss and take profit orders to manage your risk effectively. So this is it. You have just to click over get started, and then you have just to answer this information. So firstly, you have just to write your personal information like your name, your phone number, the street, and then you have to answer these questions. For example, here we have investment knowledge, and then you will just come back to the trade here and you start trading with plus500.com. So here we have the option that you can use. For example, if you want to draw, here we have this option, and here we have the option if you want to cross here. As you can see, we have hide heads up display, show heads up display also. Then here we have this option, it's for switch between the selling and the buying prices of the instrument. Then we have here range selector, and then we have open chart in a new window also. Then in the right we have here multiple charts view, line, and here we have indicators, views, and then we have here resolution. For example, if you want to just chart type, we have here candle, bar, we have colored line, vertex line, and step. Then we have mountain, baseline, hollow candle, fallen candle. We have colored also bar, data points, histogram. Then we have here kg also, and other options. So you can just get started. Here we have templates that you have to choose. Then we have also here the options of indicators, for example, active indicators, favorites, common indicators, and we have indicators library. Alright, then here we have view. You can just see view, and then we have text also. For example, select 1 minute, 2 minutes, or how much minutes. Also here we have minutes, you can just select it. So for example, 1 hour, here we have 5 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, then we have 3 months, 1 year, and we have the max here. Alright, here we have in the left other options such as trade here. So this is the option of trade. Then we have here open positions. So here we have click to buy and sell order, enter trade. It's going to start opening new positions. Then here we have orders, closed positions, insights. Then we have funds, real money. Then we have here demo mode, live support. Also, if you want to deposit or withdraw as well. Also here in the left we will find most popular, for example, all popular, spotlight, popular options, risers and fillers. My watch list. We have also here commodities, and we have commodities options. Indices, we have also crypto, forex options, forex here. Then we have here indices options, shares options as well. Also shares here. Furthermore, we have HVAs. So you can just select the one you want. And here we have here instrument, for example, natural gas, gold, oil. Then we have the change that. Then we have here sell, buy. Then we have high and or low, as you can see. And here you can just select if it's, and then you can just start and exhibit it how it works. So this is, so start trading have just to get a various sources of education, sources also of like courses or just hardworking also, and then you get started with Plus500 to start trading. So if you wanna a beginners or an experienced, you have just to use this plus500.com for starting trading. So this is how you can get started. So if we scroll down here in the home page, before signing up, you will find here why Plus500. So it's protected and safe, your data is safe and your money is kept in separate bank account in accordance with legal requirements. Professional support, enjoy dedicated customer service around the clock in multiple languages. Regulated, Plus500 as is authorized and regulated by the Estonian Financial Supervision and Financial Settlement Authority. The label also Plus500 is an FTSE 350 company listed on the main market of the London Stock Exchange for listed companies. Then we have here also smarter to act. For example, practice your strategy. Try our free demo account before opening a real trading account to explore our intuitive trading platform and improve your skills. I'll just to try now. And we have here expand your knowledge, learn more about trading with Plus500 using our comprehensive educational materials. I'll just to open the commercial academy, then you get started. Then we have here manage your risk. Use our advanced risk management tools to limit your losses and record profiles. You have just to read more to more understand, of course. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.